Hello everyone. In this video, I will show how to fix FACEIT TPM Attestation Not Ready error on Windows 10. First, we need to enable Intel Platform Trust Technology, also called PTT, in your BIOS. Restart your computer and press the BIOS key like F2, delete, or escape when it starts. Once inside the BIOS, look for a section called Security or Advanced. Find Intel Platform Trust Technology or PTT and set it to Enabled. While you're there, also change your boot mode to UEFI if it's not already set. Now save changes and restart your PC. Back in Windows, press the Windows key and type tpm.msc. Open it, and you should now see that TPM or PTT is available and ready. If you still see issues around attestation, we need to update your BIOS. To do that, press the Windows key and type System Information. Copy the system model value from the list. Open your browser and paste that model into Google. Click on the official website link for your manufacturer. Scroll down and look for a section called Software and Drivers. Inside that page, choose your operating system and your operation system version then. Scroll until you find BIOS or Firmware. Download the latest BIOS file. Updating the BIOS is very risky. If anything goes wrong, it can stop your PC from working. Before you update, close all apps and make sure your PC has a stable power source. Open the downloaded BIOS file and follow the steps shown on screen. Many updates will restart your PC and begin updating automatically. Do not turn off your PC during this process. After the BIOS update is complete, go back and launch FACEIT Anti-Cheat again. The error should now be fixed and you can join your match. Thanks for watching.